So the students focus on robotics this week. They explored different aspects of robotics. So some of the students did stuff with Makey Mikeys and circuit boards. The other students did stuff with the Vexco robots using code blocks. And today they're doing Arduino, so they're learning more about physical computing.
I enjoyed trying to build Ed, even though we could not get, we were trying to make the switch to the point to where it would stay on, but it would keep interfering with the structure. So we had to elevate it, and it will work to a certain extent. You would still have to push it like every couple seconds in order for it to stay like that.
A lot of the robotics skills that they learned today could be used in different things. So Arduinos that they're doing today could be used in creating like medical devices or working with the robotic dogs and the sensors and things like that. So they can use a lot of these skills for robotics in everyday life.